They're self-righteous thugs who sell their soul to the state.
Moon, old pal, I'm so hungry. I wish you were cheese. Winry, if only you'd think about my human parts instead of my metal ones now and then. Things for 3 hours straight! He probably wears that hat to hide the hole in his brain.
Still, doesn't it concern you? A criminal using alchemy to steal? Brother, you don't look so good.
My stomach feels... We lost him. Here, eat up.
I don't want any. What were you thinking? You just picked that up and stole it out of nowhere. If Mom knew we were...
There, see? You can't be so hard on yourself.
You shouldn't take things that don't belong to you.
Yeah! We were tricked into coming to this island by that crazy sadistic witch! What the hell does this have to do with alchemy anyway? Let's sleep.
We'll have to get up early tomorrow to look for something to eat.
Yeah.